Students, now we will discuss the type of chemical reaction in detail. The first one is combination reaction, in which a single product is formed. Decomposition, a single is divided into two or more. Displacement means the place of a element, only single element will change. A के पास C आ गया and B remains. It means A and B get replaced. A की जगह B, B की जगह A. Double displacement means displacement take place from two sides. Two sides. A की जगह A के साथ D आया और C के साथ B. Redox reaction, the last one, which we will discuss later. Next, if we take the first one, that is combination reaction. Discuss it with the examples. First example is when C carbon reacts with oxygen, it will form CO2. C plus O2 gives CO2. Here a single product is formed. Burning of magnesium ribbon, Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Here also single product is formed. If we take more example, then we can take 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Water, formation of water. Here also a single product is formed. Students, now you are, I think, capable in recognizing that this reaction is a combination reaction. Here two atoms, maybe they atoms, one atom and one molecule, and form a single product, means that is a combination reaction. If we will take its opposite, then that is a decomposition reaction. What is decomposition reaction? In which a single product convert into two or more substance. Let's take an example. If we have 2AgCl and it will form 2Ag plus Cl2, a single compound divide into two parts, means that is a decomposition reaction. This decomposition reaction are of three types, which we will discuss here one by one. The first is thermal decomposition. थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन क्या होता है बच्चों? जिसमें हम डायरेक्ट हीट करते हैं किसी भी रिएक्टेंट को और प्रोडक्ट बन जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, हीटिंग ऑफ लाइम स्टोन, CaCO3 convert into CaO plus CO2. Here one molecule of limestone convert into two. More example are there and which make conceptual questions. For example, the question is, what happen when lead nitrate is heated? Lead nitrate. Lead nitrate means, students, PbNO3's whole twice. And one more point is, we always keep a triangle. Triangle means heat कर दिया उसको. Okay, if we will keep a triangle on the arrow, then it means यहाँ पर हीट किया है. And what will be the product? 2PbO plus NO2 plus O2. And the students, here the important point is that brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide formed. What is the color of these fumes? Brown fumes. And what is the color of this? This is a yellow color substance, lead nitrate. Here one more example is there, which is heating of ferrous sulfate crystals. Ferrous sulfate crystal, FeSO4 dot 7H2O. These are green color crystals and these are the water of crystallization. जब इसको हीट करेंगे तो ये 7O2 चला जाएगा, निकल जाएगा, and it will become FeSO4. And when this FeSO4 is heated, then what will happen? Again decomposition reaction happen. Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Here, student, what is the main characteristic? Then the green color crystals, the changes, and SO2 and SO3, two gases liberate which have foul smell. This is also a decomposition reaction. Which kind of decomposition reaction? Thermal decomposition reaction. Next, the next one is photo decomposition reaction. What is photo decomposition reaction? जो धूप में होती है, sunlight, which happen in the sunlight. Example is 2AgCl gives 2Ag plus Cl2 and this reaction is used in black and white photography. अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन होती है, द थर्ड वन इज इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन विच टेक प्लेस इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. व्हाट विल हैपन? H2O, electricity, on passing electricity convert into 2H2 plus O2. This means decomposition reaction take place with the help of electricity. In this way, decomposition reaction of our three types. First one is thermal decomposition, thermal. Second is photo and third is electrolytic. Okay. Next type is displacement reaction. As we have already take this concept. What is displacement? If one element displaces its place. This is more reactive metal and more reactive. जो ज़्यादा reactive होता है वो कम reactive को हमेशा affect करता है. तो ये Zn is more reactive and it displaces the position of copper. कॉपर की जगह खुद आ जाएगा. It will come in place of copper and zinc sulfate is formed with copper metal. Here very important change, blue color solution convert into colorless. Copper is of brown color. In this reaction, the condition is the element is always, this element should be always more reactive metal. And we will take one more example, that is Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Blue color converting to green color solution. Okay, students. Next is double displacement reaction. What is double displacement reaction? The reaction in which displacement of two elements Na चला गया Ba की जगह, Ba चला गया Na की जगह. Okay, it means BaSO4 according to the valency we will form the formula BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. This reaction is also called precipitation reaction because several times here a precipitate is formed. Precipitation reaction. What is precipitate? It is a insoluble, जो घुलता नहीं है, ऐसा कोई भी मटेरियल होता है. तो here BaSO4 is a white PPT. White PPT. That is double displacement reaction. Exchange of ion take place. Okay, between the reactants. Next one is neutralization reaction. Acid reacts with base and gives salt plus water. That is called neutralization reaction. Precipitation reaction, same. Precipitate is formed PbI2 plus KNO3. When we will complete it, 2 KNO3. This is here a yellow PPT is formed. That is also a double displacement reaction. Precipitation as well as double displacement reaction. Now the most important concept, that is redox reaction, we will study. Here first we need to understand the concept of oxidation and reduction. Gain of oxygen. देखो ऑक्सीजन कॉपर को मिल गया, CuO कॉपर के साथ ऑक्सीजन जुड़ा है कि या फिर हाइड्रोजन का लॉस हुआ है, ऑक्सीजन प्लस हो या हाइड्रोजन माइनस हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन. एंड जस्ट रिवर ऑक्सीजन माइनस हो या हाइड्रोजन प्लस हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिडक्शन. and the reaction in which both take place are called redox reaction. Let's take one example. Here we have a reaction. CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. What will happen here? CuO convert into Cu. C both of them. Loss of oxygen. Loss of oxygen means reduction. We will write in this way. And here H2 convert into H2O means gain of oxygen. It means that is oxidation. We will write here. In this reaction, both take place simultaneously. Hence, this is a redox reaction. And oxidation, if we talk about oxidation, so we will see only reactants. H2 is oxidized. H2 is oxidized. And CuO is reduced. Here, two new terms are there, oxidizing agent and reducing agent, which are just reversed. जो ऑक्सीडेशन करता है, that is जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन होता है, that is a reducing agent. Hence H2 is a reducing agent and CuO is an oxidizing agent. If we will take more example and want to know the substance whose oxidation take place and whose reduction take place, we can very easily calculate. For example, ZnO plus C gives Zn plus CO. Here loss of oxygen, it means oxidation किसका हुआ है, रिडक्शन किसका हुआ है, जिंक का, जिंक ऑक्साइड का, ZnOC. यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हुआ है, लॉस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. रिडक्शन हुआ है ZnO का, ऑक्सीडेशन, C convert into CO means adding of oxygen take place. It means कार्बन का ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ है. नाउ रिडक्शन हुआ है ZnO का, इट मीन्स दैट इज ए ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. एंड व्हाट इज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट? C. Let's take one more example. If we are taking here MnO4 plus 4HCl gives MnO2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Here यहाँ Cl2 बना है, यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है, लॉस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, इट मीन्स ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ है. ओके, यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है, लॉस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, if we will see. Hence in this reaction also oxidation as well as reduction take place, and that is also a redox reaction.